It's time to satisfy your matcha and red bean paste cravings all in one go with a matcha and red bean swirled steamed bun and matcha and milk butter filled steamed bun. To start this, you are going to need our recipe for steamed buns in the description below. We are going to divide all the ingredients in half from the steamed bun recipe and make one plain dough and one matcha dough. The matcha powder I used in this one is from Jade Leaf. If you know of any excellent brands of matcha powder, leave them in the comments below. To make the matcha dough, follow all the same instructions and ingredients for the steamed buns, but when adding the dry ingredients to the stand mixer, also sift in 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of matcha powder for half the recipe listed in the steamed buns video, which you would have seen if you've subscribed and rang the bell icon. Let both doughs rise for 1 hour or until doubled in size. Then punch the like button until it turns blue before punching down the dough. Take the matcha dough and roll it out into a large, rough rectangle, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Make sure the dough is as even as you can make it. You can tug on the corners of the dough to make it more rectangular. Set the dough aside under a plastic wrap. Then roll out the plain dough to roughly the same size. Next, take the green dough and place it underneath the plain white one. Then you can spread out your filling. I decided to make 2 different ones, one filled with the milk butter from our milk butter filling recipe, and the other one with sweetened red bean paste. Before rolling the dough up, use your rolling pin to taper down one side of the dough so that it is paper thin so that you can get a tight seal. Roll up the dough into a tight log, and on the milk butter filled steamed bun, pinch the ends tight so that the butter does not leak out of the ends. Let the steamed buns rise for another 20 to 30 minutes or until doubled in size. Then steam the buns for 20 minutes. When the time is up, crack the lid and let the steam escape for about 20 seconds before lifting the lid to reveal beautiful steamed buns. Slice to reveal the swirl pattern. Go ahead and satisfy your sweet tooth. The sweet red beans are the perfect pairing for the matcha powder. It's now exactly 1 year since the release of our first video, so for those of you who have come along with us this past year, and to those of you who have just started watching, thank you, and we hope to see you in the next one when it's time to eat again.